I'm going to show you how to install this indexing pin in the front of the Milwaukee compact toolbox to keep this stash bin in place. So first thing you need to do is you need to push this box all the way up to the position that you want it. Then using 3/16 drill bit, drill into both the box and the bin, giving you a hole there. So the chances that you're going to get these exactly right is pretty slim. So what I also did here is I'm going to drill a 1/4 inch, or expand this into a 1/4 inch hole, just to make it easier to hit that with the pin. Okay, the next thing I did was, you can probably skip this step and just thread into here with the indexing pin, but I like to make sure I get nice crisp threads in my plastic, because I am pulling these in and out quite a few times. So I made form the threads in the plastic. Then we'll screw the indexing pin in. So you want to feel inside. You only want to screw it as far as the threads just start popping out inside. So you can, I don't know if you can see in there, it's kind of hard to see, but the threads are just, and actually I went a little bit too far, threads are just starting to pop through. Now, take our box, there we go, now it's in place. Pull the pin, now you can store blades or whatever up in there. And it's secure.